Hello everyone, I'm Sana Mansour and today I'm going to present to you Math and Aftermath by Lindsay Namioka. As you can see from the title Math and from the tool over here, our story is actually going to be talking about something related to math. Okay, so in our story, we're going to be covering the summary, the themes, and the character analysis, and finally the plot diagram. First, let me tell you more about the author. Lindsay Namioka is a Chinese writer. She moved from China to America when she was 9 years old. Actually, Namioka always writes in her stories about outsiders. Outsiders are people who moved also from a country to another country that they don't belong to. In her stories, she expresses her internal feelings about moving from one country to another. Also, Namioka, in her stories, she expresses how hard it is and the conflicts she passes or she faces in her life as an outsider, of course. This is an interview with Namioka. It's the only interview she did. It was in 1994.
Namioka writes stories based on both the Chinese and Japanese history.
Let's talk about the summary. Math and Aftermath is an autobiography. And actually, autobiography is a story written by someone about his life or her life. Math and Aftermath is written in a chronological order. Chronological order is an order that depends on being or talking about the day of birth till the day of death. So when she starts in the story, she starts as a 9-year-old, then going to a high school or middle school, then going to high school, then going to college, then graduating from college, then she gets married, then she has children. These children grows up, and actually one of them is an engineer and the other is in science college. So this is an order of life she talks about from an old days or old times until she grows up in age. And actually through the stories, Namioka tell us how she actually find her real passion in writing. So actually how did she actually find her real passion in writing?